Start out by removing your battery cover. Using your 10mm, remove your negative cable. Going underneath the car, just to the back side of the oil pan, you will see the secondary air injection pump and the bracket that will have to be removed. Not all Malibus have the secondary air injection pump, so if you don't, you can move on to the starter. To remove the inlet hoses, you need to pinch the tabs here on the side and pull the inlet hose off. Pinch the tabs on the side to remove the second hose and pull it off. Using your hose pick, push a tab in on top of the electrical connection and carefully pull it off. To remove the secondary air injection pump, there's two bolts removed, one here on the bottom and one on the top, and it is very tight space to work in. Using our 15mm, we'll start with the top bolt first. Get the bottom bolt. Lay the injection pump on top of the transmission towards the driver's side of the car. Unplug the wire connector from the starter solenoid. Using your 13mm, remove the nut that holds the positive cable onto the solenoid. Remove the positive cable and put it off to the side the best you can. Using a 13mm and extension, get back as far as you can above the solenoid and the starter. Do the best you can to slide your fingers over the solenoid and reach back, grab a hold of the socket and slide it over the top starter bolt. Make sure you're locked onto the bolt. Get your ratchet on any extension and break it loose. Using the extension, unscrew the bolt the rest of the way out. Reach in and pull the bolt out. Now using our 13mm, we can remove the bottom bolt. Pull the starter out. And bring it down between the exhaust and the right side frame. Next, you want to insert the new starter. Start your bottom bolt first. Then get your top bolt started. snug it down. Tighten the top bolt to 16 foot-pounds and the bottom to 16 foot-pounds as well. Slide your positive cable back onto the solenoid. Install your lock washer. Install your nut. Torque it to 89 inch-pounds. Install the wiring harness back on the solenoid. Push in the little red locking tab and make sure it's secure. Slide the secondary air injection pump back in place. The bottom bolt started. Get the top bolt started. Torque both bolts to 43 foot-pounds. Plug in electrical harness. Press the locking tab in and make sure it's secure. Hook your upper hose in till you hear it click. Put your bottom hose on till you hear it click. Negative battery cable back on, battery cover, test your starter. Thanks for watching and God bless.